Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg enchiladas at home. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a baking dish while I walk you through filling, rolling, and baking. I will share simple veggie combinations, quick seasoning tips, and how to warm tortillas without tearing. You will learn how to layer sauce and cheese for best texture, plus a shortcut to speed up prep without losing flavor or freshness. Start by chopping vegetables evenly so they cook at the same rate and toss them in a hot pan with oil. Add spices like cumin, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt to build deep flavor while vegetables soften. Stir in drained beans to warm through, then finish with lime juice and cilantro for brightness. This filling stores well and makes assembly fast when your oven is ready. Lay out warmed tortillas and spoon a generous line of filling down the center of each one before rolling snugly. Place rolled enchiladas seam-side down in a prepared baking dish to keep them intact while baking. Pour a thin layer of sauce on the bottom, stack enchiladas, then cover with more sauce and shredded cheese for even melting. Bake until the cheese bubbles and the edges crisp for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.